Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up by Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Burke. I'm on a low, she said she really wanna take it slow.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe. If you want to see more content from me, if you like this video, then yeah, subscribe, comment, like, all that. I have to get ready to actually start making products and stuff like that, but I can't make my products in containers that are not clean. So today basically I'm just going to be going through my inventory and seeing like what containers I have. What do I need to clean? I need to clean these lip oil containers, these containers, which I have a lot of these. Are these glass? Because I'm still, let me not do that. I have these containers, but I might be returning these because I'm having a really hard time of thinking what to put in here. Well, actually, no, that's not true. I know what I want to put in here is just like, is it really necessary? Like, I don't know. So, I don't know. Those might get returned. I have these foam bottles. I have to wash these lip balm tubes. All these lip gloss tubes. These tubes. This is too much stuff that I gotta wash. I have 4 of these bottles that I have to wash. And lastly, I have to wash these. I'm gonna put each type of container that I have, or each type of bottle in its own container that I can clean it in. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back.
Yeah. Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up by Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Burke. I'm on a low, she said she really wanna take it slow. Kiss on the neck and I kiss her some more. I'm on a different type of flow, yeah. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up by Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Burke. I'm on a low, she said she really wanna take it slow. Kiss on the neck and I kiss her some more. I'm on a different type of flow, yeah. Your type pussy need it now me life. No Portland Spring, she got water and me realize. Baby introduce me to your inner type. She said she need the dragon, fi come penalize. Me want you, fi be me wife. Inna me life. I got a body, ain't seen in a minute. I wanna fuck, she said she with it. I'm down in the gut, she knock on my fitted. The hand in the body, she know I ain't kidding. Shooting my shot, never miss like I'm Pippin. Head to my toe, baby girl, I be dripping. Yerk 30, no lean in my system. Yerk 30, got your body on the rhythm. I got a body, ain't seen in a minute. I wanna fuck, she said she with it. I'm down in the gut, she knock on my fitted. The hand in the body, she know I ain't kidding. Shooting my shot, never miss like I'm Pippin. Head to my toe, baby girl, I be dripping. Yerk 30, no lean in my system. Yerk 30, got your body on the rhythm.
She wanna ride away, she gonna climb it deep. She got a pretty face, and she kinda thick. Sometimes I call you babe, sometimes I call you Lil. Look baby, you fine as shit, you know what time it is. You got the game unlocked, you got the key to the streets. Your body, you got me, you gotta give it to me. I'm kissing all over your titties, licking all over your nipples. Watching your little body wiggle, sticking my head in your window. She got that she got that hit it like boom boom, and it like I'm putting on your hair and licking on your ear. That pussy top tier, that pussy crying tears. I wanna marry you, and put a ring on that kitty. Baby, you know that I'm with it. Haven't had this in a minute. You got the world on pause, you got the streets too. Baby, don't need no, baby, I need you.
I got a her body, ain't seen in a minute. I wanna fuck, she said she with it. I'm down in the gut, she knock on my fitted. The hand in the body, she know I ain't kidding. Shooting my shot, never miss like I'm pippin'. Head to my toe, baby girl, I be drippin'. Yerk 30, no lean in my system. Yerk 30, got your body on the rhythm. I got her body, ain't seen in a minute. I wanna fuck, she said she with it. I'm down in the gut, she knock on my fitted. The hand in the body, she know I ain't kidding. Shooting my shot, never miss like I'm pippin'. Head to my toe, baby girl, I be drippin'. Yerk 30, no lean in my system. Yerk 30, got your body on the rhythm. Let her body, she be low key. Let her body, she be low key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, oh, see. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute, get to know me. Let her body, she be low key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, oh, see. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute, get to know me. Yeah, I'm all about my bitch, yeah, I'm all about my bag. Tell mama that I'm gone, cause I'm tryna chase a bag. Make me a look baddie, but I ain't the type to fucking brag. I keep me 180, but I got 50 in the mag. Why the fuck these niggas hate me? If I never try to play, why would you play me? You the one that help me heal, but then you break me. Yeah, hey, thinking that I'm crazy, but I ain't crazy. Girl body fat from the waistline down. Make one pass on me, have it turn round. Your pussy clean and tight on me like that. Go there one time and me have to send you right back. Low key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, oh, say. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute, get to know me. Met her body, she be low key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, oh, say. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute, get to know. Met her body, she be low key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, oh, say. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute, get to know me. Met her body, she be low key. Met her body, she be low key. Yeah, yeah. Met her body, she be. That's it.
So ignore the mess on my table, but these are just all the containers.
Shooting like Kobe. Little nigga, you do not know me. Yeah, I keep a pole on 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 me. Yeah, I keep a. Met her body, she be low key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, oh, say. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute.